Total solutions for any mix, any volume. All managed by Panasim Enterprise Edition. Panasonic. Total solutions beyond SMT.
Welcome to Nordson Dage here at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Richard Frisk, who is the sales manager for Europe. Welcome, Richard.
Good afternoon, Trevor. Nice to be here.
We've got an exciting new product behind us, which is the Quadra 7. It's your fourth generation digital X-ray system. Can you tell us, or tell our viewers, a little bit about the specification behind it and the development?
Okay, Nordson Dage has been manufacturing digital X-ray systems for about 15 years now. Their philosophy is to be in control of the core technology to build a bespoke system for the electronics industry. Starting back in the early 2000s, had a lot of experience, 15 years of experience, and this is now the fourth generation building on all the experience gained so far. The core technology in an X-ray system centre around the X-ray source, the X-ray power supply and tube. This is a brand new tube that we have here. It's designed for long life, it's designed for high power output, but the most difficult thing with an X-ray tube is to combine high power with high resolution, and this tube has it all. 100 nanometer resolution up to 10 watts, which is industry leading by far. So we've got the X-ray tube, the development on that.
Is that an open tube or a closed tube system?
It's what we call a sealed transmissive tube. It has no vacuum pumps as such. It's sealed for life in our factory. We're expecting many thousands of hours life from this system without any maintenance, which was key to.
So what is the sort of designed life or usage of it?
We're expecting to warrant these tubes for 5,000 hours. 2 years from installation of the machine, but we're expecting several thousand hours excess of that warranty period. So that's a long lifetime in the X-ray business. So from the tube technology, we then have the detector, which is the other half of the imaging chain. The detector again is made by Nordson Dage just for this machine. It's a bespoke 7 megapixel detector which we use on this system, which gives us these clear images that we see behind us here. The key to getting really clear images is having a detector matched to the X-ray source, which gives you really clear, very dark areas, very light areas, and lots of detail in between. But beyond that, there's also the sample handling system, which again is developed by Dage for this system, which enables us to gain very accurate and very clear 2D images, but it's also a suitable stage for 3D CT imaging, which we can also do on this system. And beyond that, we've then got the software interface, which Dage's philosophy is to make the systems easy to use by anybody. So just within 2 or 3 clicks of a mouse, you can have this type of image on the screen ready for analysis. And that's quite unique. You don't have to be an expert to handle this machine. Combine that with 4K monitors and Windows 10 operating system, it really is bang up to date, and we believe market leading at the moment.
It's incredible. I'm noticing from some of the images we're seeing behind us here that you're not just seeing voiding information, but you're seeing a lot of detail coming out from defects and little pockets in the laminate itself, and this sort of thing.
Yeah, that's a difficult thing here, for example, as a €5 note, just a piece of paper, very difficult to image on an X-ray system, but the ability and the ability of this system to pull out contrast from an image is clearly shown there. It's a difficult subject, but you can see all the detail on there. And furthermore, some of these images, we've got 20 micron bond wires there, and we've got fairly thin laminate and photoresist, which you can also see all in the same screenshot. So a very versatile system. And at the end of the day, the users of these systems want clear, sharp images, and I can see clearly lots and lots of detail on these images.
And on the CT capability of the system, I mean, this has the complete CT capability that you built in for non-destructive testing into your previous models, I assume.
Yes, we have 2 options for CT. One is a partial tomography technique where we take many 2D images of the subject area and export those to an offline PC, reconstruct a 3D image from them, and then we can cut through the CT model, look for voiding, look for various features, various cracks, any defects on that model, and then we have a full CT, which is not a destructive method, but the sample has to be a very small size, which can do a full rotation and a very, very high resolution full CT reconstruction and analysis of that.
Very versatile system. That's the 4th generation Quadra 7. Thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you, Trevor.